No, wait.
No, I'm just gonna record it. Start now because otherwise I'm gonna forget to press record.
Okay. Can we edit this out or?
Yeah, I'm sure.
I just don't make a noise.
Oh my god.
Alright.
This is so exciting.
Are you recording, Emily?
Yeah, I'm recording.
Okay.
Go ahead.
Watch out, Brandon.
Well, I am the Reverend Clare Petersberger with the Towson Unitarian Universalist Church, and hey, check this out.
Okay. Run! 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 That was awesome!
Jerks!
I think we did a good job.